Jump a car. Does it go in the intake?
Epilogue.
The weekly car meet part 75. I'm not sure exactly which part I'm on, but this is a new episode. I don't know what part I'm on. This is a new episode.
You watched our last video?
Oh, I said it?
Yeah, I kept it in it.
Without bleeping it?
Yeah, I kept it in it, dude. You're racist.
Okay. Joey 2000, what are you at right now? This kid. And I'm like, we're gonna upload this banger, and I know it's gonna be a banger for your account. This kid had 600 subs. So if you guys haven't subbed yet to Joey's channel,
I refreshed and it's got 20.
You
I have 2,500 hours. I need 4,000.
Then is Marcus coming?
Order.
That pop is like too real. When you popped under the bridge,
I did.
It was so loud.
I heard.
I was like 50 cars back, and I'm like, that thing still popped my eardrum.
Joey was right behind me when it happened.
All right. Oh, fuck. Oh God. Yeah, I almost ran myself over. Remember, kids, never park backwards at car meets. It's full. Dude, I couldn't even find parking.
Yo, I got a bigger meat in my freezer.
See, these guys are pissed because we pulled up to the meet and there's like 12 cars or something here. But I told them not to worry because the meet doesn't start until there's 7 different cars blasting 7 different Spanish songs at the same time on full blast. You really want to get this meet started?
Which meat? The one in my freezer?
No, friggin' both you guys just gotta pop your hoods and that's it.
No, we're about to go to Sonic. I'm hungry. I didn't eat dinner. I woke up at 4 p.m.
I had combos, bro, so I'm a little hungry.
Yeah.
It takes a lot to power all of this.
How many times does your car turn off on the way here, dude?
I shut off one time because I bumped the rev limiter too many times on that second gear, and the light came on to tell me, hey, stop being an asshole. And I don't like looking at it, so I just.
You know when your car's too loud is when you're racing somebody and your car pops and it makes me miss a gear. That's.
Look how crispy this thing looks in the camera. Look at the body lines.
I might need a fucking jump. I haven't started the car since Sunday. I went in the garage and the car was dead, like nothing. I started it, went to the gas station, but I completely forgot about it. Went to pay inside, left the music on, came back, car was dead. Fuck that. Let's go.
I got some
Jared Leto.
It looks even better in person. I haven't seen Nardo in like 50 years. Where have you been? This is the Workmeister gang. What's up, guys?
What's up, Bob? It's good.
Oh, there goes our streak. Somebody backed in.
You can give out the memo? Can't aim for the bushes.
That fire. Pop the hood.
Brandon, go pop your hood, bro.
Before-
Show them the
before-
real.
before Carlos
rare
does.
shit that's under there.
Oh, there we
They're
go.
all doing
There we go. Everyone surround.
Use the rest of Rob's carbon fiber to fix it. No, yeah.
What the fuck? What is this? Titanium? Is that ARC? Is that RC? Your hood prop?
Tomei. Yeah.
Oh, that is sick.
You never noticed it?
I never noticed. Look at that detail.
Dude, Mario.
Sure shit, I'm not popping my shit.
Why not, bro? Pop it like it's hot.
I got a secret in there.
Here we go.
I got a secret. Oh boy.
You gotta pop it like it's hot.
I'm telling you, man, that's the flag.
What size is that?
Try to attract everyone. Pop the hood. Carlos is scared though. He doesn't want to pop his hood.
I'm not taking apart everything and cleaning. I don't even care at this point.
Let's check the chocolate milk.
I just emptied it yesterday. No, 2
Damn,
days ago.
dude. I was hoping to get the chocolate milk on HD.
Yesterday.
Chocolate milk. Here we go. Yo, Team S quick, baby.
It was bad.
These are the five.
He just popped it up.
It was bad.
That was funny.
Officer John, these are the 5 things I hate about my Evo 10. The turbo's on the wrong side.
So many people love that, dude. 234, I just gained 30 subscribers.
9741. Damn, I got like 1 sub like in the past like 3 hours.
Well, how many views does your other one have? Your 5 things I like.
Like
8.2.
like 6. 9.9.
Beating you by like 17,000.
All right, so my vid's at 9.9. This is the one that he likes about the Evo, that car. And then Joey's is at
Yeah, that's where I saw your tattoo.
47K.
I commented. I think he's a little
47K. Make sure you live, learn, and love life, dude. Where's that from? TJ?
Wellington Moms.
Wellington Moms.
It comes with a free macchiato espresso machine.
It comes with a free Ariana Grande poster.
Comes with tampons, and it also comes with a dental dam.
and a Justin Bieber keychain.
Oh yes.
I'd like to show it on video, but Joey actually has the Dreamcatcher tattoo right here on his thigh.
Do you really?
Along with, yeah.
Never hit me with that. We made that shit up.
What about my shoes here?
My generation made that shit up. I didn't. I saw the can and I went straight up. Never gonna have to.
He ain't ready. He ain't ready.
Dude, you're about to get it. It's gonna be bad. This meat is deader than Michael Jackson.
What would you do if somebody walked over to your car and they just accidentally tripped over your bumper? And
Someone's getting tossed.
Someone's gonna get a straight roundhouse kick to the nose.
just videoing you.
Good. I'll tell you what, someone's for sure getting tackled. For sure. It's a Tesla engine, right?
I'm going on a new level right now by exposing my own engine.
Last time I saw
You guys
under a car cover.
You guys aren't ready for this. Damn, look how stock that bullshit is. You know what the best part of this all is?
Damn, 2JZ, no shit.
It's that ARC. No, shut the I don't want everyone walking over here. I got. What a dick.
Don't do it.
Yo,
That's
up top.
quick, dude. That's quick.
Die, that was so good.
Carlos, the red RX-7 will jump you.
Let me try it first.
There you go. Oh.
Fucking battery died.
Yeah, battery. Oh, wait. Can I back up?
I told you not to buy a Toyota. Is he leaving or jumping?
He's gonna jump the batteries in the back.
Good thing about the Evo is that the batteries in the back.
flame me now.
Oh!
Sam tries to do a good thing and he gets helping you out. Getting roasted now. Such an asshole, man.
What a dick.
Yeah, Joey.
Somebody had to do it. It's not my car.
I think so.
Let's do another car.
Your lip.
Hey Sam, this is your car, do this.
Take a video, do it.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to jump a car. Does it go in the intake? Where? The red? Yeah. Red goes in black, right?
Red goes first.
I wasn't too sure. I was second guessing myself. I'm not a mechanic.
Literally out there.
You gotta install a spark tube in the. No, the red. I thought it hooked up to this red, the red part over here. I thought it was the red part. Alright, so people give me so much for putting up the sunshade at nighttime, but I have a pretty good reason why I do it. Can't see shit.
Oh, that's not far away at all.
I know he was out there. People kept asking me about him. I was like, I had no idea he was out there.
Well, here's some imports.
It
worked.
Yeah. Got two FDs. Dude, I will always like bronze wheels. Bronze wheels were the first colors that I had on the Z. When I had CR Kais before I got the CR Kwamis. So I'll always have like a thing about bronze wheels. This magical trick.
Right, and you get a full red.
Fresh beer.
Look at that fresh beer.
Thanks, bud.
You just need a brand new straw. You learned that in this vlog. How long have you had this car for?
I've had it about 1 year and 6 months.
Oh, I thought you had it for like a long time. I just thought you were like an RX-7 guru, like hiding in a cave.
Oh, absolutely, but I just bought it.
Nice.
I was a guru hiding in the cave without one.
What did you have before?
You're gonna laugh at this, a Lancer.
A Lancer, like a base Lancer?
Yep.
Damn. And you got the peanut butter interior?
Yes, sir. Searched 2 years until I found one.
Yeah. I think Jack had this color before. Yeah. Before he had the LS1. I mean, when he had the LS1 RX-7. Man, that car sounds sick. Dude, that freaking, that's a road cleaner car.
I'm thinking a turbo diesel's gonna come down the street, dude. A street sweeper comes by.
Dude, that street sweeper was sick.
What the?
Oh my! I've never seen that in my life.
That guy was booking too.
I didn't know they could go that fast.
Yo, that dude was flying. That's my Oreo car.
Did you really put the? God damn.
Yeah, I know, exactly. See, it's kind of like a deterrent, really. People leave it alone. The more people leave it alone, the better.
People try to mess with something because the wheel is off?
Yeah, you know, the wheel's off, and like people like to they get curious, and I don't know.
Yeah.
I've caught people doing it before, and it kind of irks me, so I do that from now on.
Absolutely.
You guys got fishbowl, so I mean that's.
Don't get too curious over here.
Oh, yeah, I
Mind
know.
your own damn business.
Yeah. We'll take a look at Sam's FD. Did you name this car? Catch up. God, I feel like Don Vito in this thing. What year is this?
92.
Damn, dude, this thing still looks mint. And you got a Stance Nation Vertex wheel?
Yep.
This is a fucking low car. Dude, look at my foot. It's like, it's an acute angle. Like legit, it's an acute angle. Yeah, for real. Oh.
You thought, bro. Nah, bro.
Damn, still?
There you go.
It's like Vice City. What's new with your Miata?
Nothing.
It's here.
It's in person.
This thing was in the body shop for like a year and a half.
Actually, it is different.
He took a.
Interior's all different.
He had a basketball hoop in the back, but he took that out. He had a big ass wing in the back, took that out.
He has a cup holder now.
Any Pinoy over there watching? Gusto mo? Yeah, it's not really common to have. What is this, like a fastback hatch? It's like it kind of reminds me of like a spoon hardtop from an S2000. This kid is like 6'4" and he drives a car that like weighs as much as the tech deck. You guys see me in a Miata? I feel insanely claustrophobic in this thing. Later, bud.
Stay safe.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this random video of the car meet. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the like button.